Good day, my peeps. Morning, noon, or night. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that post notification right there, alright? To keep notified, okay?
Same. It was reported that there continues to be improvements in the country's positivity rate, and as such some of the containment measures were adjusted for the next four weeks, until June 30th, 2021. The notable points are highlighted below. 1. The island-wide curfew hours have been revised and will be in effect until Thursday, July 1st, 2021 with the following conditions: A. Weekdays, 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. daily. B. Weekends, Saturdays, 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. and Sundays, 2 p.m. to 5 a.m. 2. The work from home, WFH, orders remain in effect for the public sector until June 30, 2021. With only those persons who work in critical service delivery areas or where the nature of the work requires them to be in the physical office, working in the office. 3 places of worship are permitted to have a total of 50 persons in attendance for church services. Memorial services will follow the same guidelines. The ban on funerals continues until June 30th, 2021. However, burials will be allowed for 30 minutes on weekdays from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. with a total of 15 individuals present, which include officiating clergy, grave diggers, and undertakers. 4 public beaches and rivers will reopen June 3rd, 2021. No more than 10 persons shall gather in any one area of the facility at a time. No beach/river parties or group games, football or volleyball, etc., will be allowed. 5 persons 60 years and older must continue to stay at home. However, those who are fully vaccinated will be exempt. 6 public entities hosting handover or launching ceremonies must restrict the number of attendees to 30. 7 All persons traveling to Jamaica, including Jamaicans, must present a negative COVID-19 test within 72 hours prior to travel date, and will also be required to quarantine for 14 days. Persons who have been fully vaccinated will be required to quarantine for 8 days. Business travelers must present a pre-test result and will incur the cost of a PCR test after arrival in Jamaica. 8 Weddings are now allowed a maximum of 50 persons. For further details you may visit the JIS or OPM websites. Please be reminded that staff members who are experiencing any of the symptoms of COVID-19, fever, coughing, sneezing, headache, sore throats, etc., or any other flu-like symptoms are once again reminded that they should not report to work. They should, however, seek medical attention, self-isolate for 14 days, and call the Ministry of Health and Wellness numbers below and advise the HRNA department. If you suspect that you have come into contact with someone who has either been exposed to the virus or has the disease, do not report to work. Self-isolate for 14 days. Call the Ministry of Health and Wellness numbers below and advise the HRNA department. As the COVID-19 positive cases continue to rise and new strains become unleashed in our environment, you are strongly encouraged to continue your hypervigilance to ensure that you are practicing the appropriate prevention and containment methods, such as wearing a mask, social distancing, 6 feet, frequent hand washing or sanitization where washing is not possible, sneezing or coughing into tissue, discarding same and wash or sanitize hands afterwards. Stay at home unless it is absolutely necessary for you to go on the road. As the SLB keeps abreast of the developments, updates will be provided. Please be reminded that if you or your loved ones are displaying any of the COVID-19 symptoms, self-isolate and contact the Ministry of Health and Wellness at the following: 888-663-5683, 876, 888-754-7792, 876-542-5998, or 542-6006, and